Guys, if you ain't got an electric air pump in your vehicle, then you need one of these. This is an air pump by AUXITO which inflates car tyres, motorbikes, bicycles and footballs. The max inflation is up to 150 psi. Right inside the box there's a brief manual on how to use. You get adapter pins, USB Type-C cable, carry pouch, and an air inflator hose. Right, let's take a quick look at the air inflator. Air vents are situated all around. You got the power menu, on top there's a hose slot, charge ports and LED torch. Hold down on the power button to switch on. We got the 2-color bright LED torch. Different modes to inflate: car, motorbike, bicycle, footballs and custom. Simply use the increase or decrease button to select your desired PSI level. Slot in and twist to secure it. With a full charge you should be able to pump 2 fully flat tyres. Screw in the pin adapter and let's pump this ball up. Took less than a minute. Time to inflate the flat tyre. You can find out your PSI level in your vehicle handbook or print it either in the sill of the driver's door or inside the fuel tank flap. All pumped up in a few minutes and ready to roll. A smart tyre inflator that you must have in every vehicle. Take care, peace.